Mundane Man, John Smith, and Shadow is same somebody. Me just afraid to prove it.
So have you heard about the new go-go club called Shadow God?
Keep by your mouth. You probably listen from the shadows as we speak. Corey just asked himself, who you be youth? We just see the whole place get dark like him plug out the sun. And silent like him plug out the sound. Then I remember after that. Please tell me say you just hear that too.
You didn't know that the drip when Avan is a self-tailored, regenerative, unbreakable suit and a slimy use, Billy?
No, sir.
Me neither.
You mean to tell me, say, him have 7 women where we do anything for you?
Don't forget the princess, the elf, and the swordswoman.
See, that make 10. I'm there struggle to get 1. Ref, do something, man.
So make we do the maths. Him have at least 16 major abilities plus one extraordinary amount of plot armor. Them no plan to nerf him down.
Nope.